Today, we're going to walk through how to block distracting websites using StayFocusd. First, open Google Chrome. In the top right, click the three dots menu. Hover over Extensions and click Visit Chrome Web Store. Search for StayFocusd. Click on it, then click Add to Chrome and confirm with Add Extension. Once installed, click Continue and you can close the Quick Start Guide. Now, let's set up your blocked sites. Go to the Blocked Sites tab. Type in the website you want to restrict, like facebook.com, and click Add Blocked Websites. If you want to limit yourself to 1 hour a day, leave the timer alone. But if you want to block it completely, change the time to 0. Then click Save Changes and hit OK. Let's test it out. Try visiting facebook.com. See? You'll get this screen letting you know the site is blocked, so you can get back to being productive. One more handy tip: pin the extension for quick access. Just click the puzzle piece icon and pin StayFocusd to your toolbar. Now, if you're on Instagram.com, for example, simply click the extension, go to Advanced Blocking Options, and block that URL instantly. That's it. Super easy. And if this helped, please subscribe.